Okay, welcome back to the third tutorial, the third video. In this video we'll be looking at how to calculate a simple interest. When you are given the principal, the rate and the time, you get the simple interest on the particular loan. So quickly, to save time, let's just copy everything on this form, and you should have Shift Control A. We'll add the form and we'll give the form as simple interest. So I add this. Okay, I just copied this to save us the stress of going over and over again. So definitely I'll still have to do this. Simple interest. Hamplus. Okay, and also I have to change this. This is not this. I call it simple interest. Simple interest calculator. I call it simple interest calculator. Okay, I want this to be at the center. I have to close up this form. Okay, let it just be this way. I don't need base now. I need what? I need principal. I need the rates. And also I need the duration, which is time. So in this situation I can take this downwards and simply duplicate this. Simply duplicate that. Okay, and this, I have this as rate, this is time, or I can call it duration. Okay, call it what? Time or duration. So I have this as the text, so time. Okay, so this remain text. I think it should remain text the base. I just have to change those properties because they are not base, so that I won't get confused. Principal, text the principal, text the rates, and text the time. So I have this my calculate, this is my clear, and this is my exit. Okay, this time I'm not going to put exit in this place. I want to put exit in another place. I have to have a different design. This is for clear. I put this calculate, and this will be this. Okay, I want it this way. Good. I want it this way. I close up this gap. No. Close up this gap. Okay. Now for it to be more, or I can bring it closer. Just simple sense of design. Simple sense of design can help in this area. Okay, let's leave it this way. So this will not be area, but it will be what? Simple interest. Okay, so remember there is one hidden feed here. It's a hidden feed here, so I can pick this and call this label results. Okay, Okay, I can make this more interesting by asking for the name, but I don't want that. Okay, so we can just go with this. You know what the clear normally be. The clear still remains, but clearing of those txt's, text the principal dot text equals to, you can use nothing also. You can use nothing. You can use txt rates dot text. You can also use this blank, and you can also use either of that, please. Dot text is what? Nothing. Okay, so and one more thing, the label dot text, because it's sorry, I'm just toggling between these two. I'm just enjoying myself. Okay, so I'll have to make for the calculate. You know what simple interest is, and if you are so comfortable with not declaring your variable, but that is not good because it will not help other programmers. So declare my variables. I'll say then principal rates fine as the integer. Let me give it integer. No, let me give it decimal, because there can be a fraction. So decimal. Then also simple interest, I can just call this SI, sorry, then SI as long. Is it long? Yes, long here. Or I can make it decimal also. Okay, so I have my principal. I'll assign it what I can do this value of what's text, the principal dot text. Okay, I can have rate is equal to value of txt rate dot text. Then I have my time is equal to val txt time dot time. Sorry, don't mind the noise at the background, just my people in my environment. Okay, so I have to calculate the simple interest. So simple interest is equal to what? Equals to principal times rate times time. So I'll have to divide all over 100. That is it. It's a divide by 100. So I can equate this principal, this label, this assign the label to have what, that the text of the label should be what, should be SI. I can also do SI dot to string if I so wish, but without that it will still work. The to string is just to convert the numeral to string, to make it a string. That is just it. Okay, I told you putting up my exit in somewhere else, so I'll use what, my menu strip. So I have it this way. So here is what I have file, like you have in other places. So I have here what, exits. Okay, so I have this. Now in my file.exit, I double click it, and once exit is clicked, what do I want? I want application.exit. Okay, let me do this application.exit. Okay, so now I can change this in the properties. I mistakenly close something. I'll change that in the properties, simple interest, and I run this. me see. When I run this, you see this file. When I click on the file, it shows me exit. I can exit from here. I exit. You see, it is exited. Okay, now that is just a basic way to show you that how they do this GUI applications. Okay, so I have this. My principal is 50,000 and the rate is 10%, which is 10. The rate is 10. Okay, I did not do my tab index well, but pardon me. The time is what, 1 year. So I'll have what will be my simple interest. My simple interest will be 5,000. I think if I'm right, it should be 5,000. Good, it's 5,000. So I can clear, everything goes off. Okay, thank you very much for watching these 3 videos. Your task before the next video comes up is to put these 3 things that you've learned and make it just one in one program. Make it an application. Just make it an application. These 3 things you've learned, make it an application. These 3 programs individually we've designed, you make it an application. One can click from the menu, it will take you to this other place. Click here, it will take you there. That is what you will do in the next program. In the next video, that's what we'll do. But pending the release of the video, you can do your task and send it to to any of our contacts, or you can drop the link to your GitHub repository and as a comment, then we'll access it. Thank you for your time. Do have a nice day. Bye.